friends, and today we are going to learn about the pronunciation of 10 words. So most of the time we pronounce words in our own way, but their pronunciation is not correct. So we should learn how the words are pronounced. And as I told you earlier, in English we have another alphabet called phonetic alphabet. So in phonetic alphabet we have 44 sounds that I will teach you very soon. So in this video we are going to learn 10 words, how they are pronounced, what is their correct pronunciation, that we are going to see. So I hope through this video and you are going to learn something. So please friends, pay attention and listen to me very carefully. So first one, Wednesday. So here I have underlined the letter D. That means in this word the letter D is silent. We are not supposed to pronounce this letter. So that's why we should not pronounce it as Wednesday. Because in this word the letter D is silent. So that's why the correct pronunciation of this word is Wednesday. See, Wednesday. And this is called phonetic transcription. And after if I teach, then you will come to know about these symbols. So this is a sound. This is a sound. Wednesday. See, even in Telugu I have written here how the word is pronounced. Its pronunciation is Wednesday. And sometimes some people they say Wednesday, they will pronounce it as Wednesday. No, it's not Wednesday, it is Wednesday. That's why I have written there Wednesday. Generally, we pronounce this word like that, Wednesday. So that is wrong pronunciation. Now, the correct pronunciation of this word is Wednesday. Wednesday, not even Wednesday. Now let's move on second word. Second word is very simple word, B-U-R-Y. And looking at that word, we think that its pronunciation is Bari. But let me tell you, here I have written this represents A symbol, A. So berry. This is called short E sound. Short E sound. So here A, berry. And even in Telugu I have written it's berry. It's not bari. So generally what we do is we pronounce this word like bari. So my dear students or my dear friends, remember B-U-R-Y pronunciation is not bari, it's berry. Then we will move to third one. So here third one, D-E-E-R is there here, and we think that seeing double E here, we can pronounce this word like deer. That's what so many of us think. This word pronunciation is a deer. But my dear friends, listen to me. Even though we have double E here, but the pronunciation is like deer. See, E-R. This is called diphthong. Deer. Now, do you know the spelling of D-E-A-R? Now tell me, how do we pronounce that word? We pronounce that word like deer. D-E-A-R, deer. In the same manner, even we pronounce D-E-R. It's not deer. So that's why I have written even in Telugu here deer and That is deer. See, even R will not be pronounced. See here, we will pronounce it as deer. Here I have put it in bracket. That means we are not supposed to pronounce the letter R. Deer. Deer. Okay. This is the way which we have to pronounce this word. Then let's see fourth one. So here generally we pronounce this one like vegetable. Vegetable. See, if we take this one separately, we pronounce it like table. But when we add or when we pronounce with VEGA, it is not pronounced like how I have written there, vegetable. No. So then how can we pronounce this word? See here, again A sound, and this is A sound. This is A sound and this symbol for Ja. So vegetable. This word pronunciation is vegetable. So here I have written vegetable. Vegetable. Okay, it's not vegetable. Then fifth one is WOMEN. Even here, if we have only MEN, we will pronounce it like men. But if it comes along with the WO, then the pronunciation will be changed. So that's why here you see WOMEN, its correct pronunciation is women. This symbol indicates the sound of E. So women, even I have written here women. This is correct pronunciation. Okay, and we pronounce like woman. Okay, most of us we pronounce this word women. But my dear friends, remember that's a wrong pronunciation. So it's not women, it is women. Then sixth one, HEARD. So generally even when we look at this word and we pronounce like hear, I heard your voice. Okay, no, it's not pronounced like that. And here, heard. See here, heard. Even R will be silent here. Heard. Yeah, I heard. Heard. So this is the way we need to pronounce this word. Then seventh one, CLEANLINESS. Now even you see here, if we take only CLEAN and we can pronounce this one like clean. But when we just take this word with LINESS, then this word pronunciation will be changed. So that's why here we can pronounce this one as cleanliness. This is the correct pronunciation. Even I have written here cleanliness. Even it's not ness. It's not ness. Ness. Cleanliness. Okay, once again I pronounce it cleanliness. Cleanliness is a wrong pronunciation. So remember and learn. It's not cleanliness and its word pronunciation is cleanliness. Then seventh one, NOVEMBR. Okay, it is one of the names of the months. So even we pronounce like November. We all pronounce that word like November, but that's wrong pronunciation. The correct pronunciation of this word is here November. Okay, November. Okay, no, November. So this is the way November. Not November, November, November. So this is the correct pronunciation. And the ninth one, VOWEL. Even we pronounce this word like vowel. Vowel, we will say vowel. How many vowels are there? There are 5 vowels in English. This is the way, but that is wrong pronunciation. Vowel. It's not vowel, vowel. See here I have written vowel, vowel, va. So round, our tongue should be made a round, va. Even lips should be like a round, like round. Okay. Vowel, vowel. So this is the correct pronunciation of vowel. And then the last one is RECIPT. We should not pronounce this word like a receipt. Its pronunciation is C here. This is E sound, this is and E sound, longer E. So that's why it is receipt. This word pronunciation is receipt. Okay. So in this way we have to pronounce these words. So I hope everyone got how to pronounce these words and practice in this way and stop pronouncing these words in that way or in which way generally you are pronouncing. This is the correct pronunciation of these words. So practice and learn and improve your communication skills. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you, one and all.